Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dewi Hayati Mutmainah. I want to answer question number 5. The question is, what is the interaction hypothesis in SLA? The interaction hypothesis is a theory of second language acquisition, which states that the development of language skill is promoted by face-to-face interaction and communication. The main focus is on the role of input interaction and output in the acquisition of a second language. This suggests that the level of language that learners are exposed to should be such that learners can understand it, and the learners modify their speech so that it can be understood, facilitates their ability to acquire the language in question. Although there are several studies linking interaction with language acquisition, not all researchers agree with the idea that interaction primarily means of developing language skills. The interaction hypothesis states that comprehensible input is a requirement for mastery of a second language, and input is made understandable by the learner through the interaction hypothesis claims that the input is understood, and which is characteristic as multiple language that the learner can understand is important for language learning. There are a number of ways in which input can be modified. Use foreign speech when speaking with non-native speaker. This type of modified input requires speech, better articulation, and simplified vocabulary. And then, in addition, it claims that the effectiveness of input is understandable, greatly increased when learners have to negotiate for meaning. This occurs when there is a breakdown in communication that the other person is trying to overcome. One of the conversation participant will say something that the other participant don't understand. The participant will then use a variety of communication strategies to help the interaction progress. Ellis notes that interactions are not always positive. He said that sometimes this can make input more complicated or result in an amount of input that overwhelming for students. According to Ellis, this can happen if the interlocutor uses a long paraphrase or provides a complex definition of a word that is not understood, and he comes to the conclusion that the role of interaction in language acquisition is complex role. Thank you.